Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and yes, I have this little head here, but this is actually a Play-Doh set. This is the drill and fill Play-Doh set, which is pretty cool. You get your different Play-Doh that come with it. If you have different Play-Doh sets with different colors, you get to do whatever you want. It's kind of cool. You got this person here, and when you open it up, he has no teeth, so you get to make his teeth, you get to make his tongue. You got this toothbrush here that you get to make if you want them to have a cavity, if you want them to have gold tooth, if you want to put a filling in, it's really cool. You have a toothbrush where you get to make the toothpaste to brush their teeth. You have the drills and all the different equipment. The thing I like about this is the dentist can be scary for your kids, so this kind of helps them to see how it actually works when they go to a visit and what to expect. So this is kind of cool. We get to create his mouth and all his teeth. You get to be the dentist and you get to have all the fun colors. Play-Doh is always fun. I like when they have different kits like this. This one is really good for the imagination as well, but that's just my point of view.